Welcome everybody to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina, and welcome everybody back to the channel. If you recently watched my last vlog on Simply Being Sabrina channel, you know that I had a movie night, and as promised in that vlog, I said that I was going to post a video over here all about what we cooked. So in this video here, I'm going to be showing you how I made my vegan nacho cheese and all the goodies that we made. But before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you give that video a thumbs up. Now let's get into the video. Alright, here I'm going to start off with my Beyond sausage. I love the hot Italian and the regular one, but because my kids don't like the spicy one, even though it's not spicy at all. And then I'm going to slice me up some onions. I did have a little bit of olive oil already in the pan, and then I also seasoned my onions with some salt and some pepper. Once the onions start to get a little brown, I just added a pinch of sugar just to get them a little bit more caramelized like I like it. And then I also made sure that I turned my sausage over to make sure they were nice and had the nice brown marks on all of the sides. It takes like maybe 2 or 3 minutes for them to cook. They don't take too long to cook. Added me a little bit of mustard because that's what I like on mine. And then I added those caramelized onions. Y'all, this was so bomb. Now it's time to make the vegan nacho cheese. You're going to need some jalapenos. That is definitely optional. I did about a half a teaspoon of turmeric, about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and about half a teaspoon of garlic salt. You're going to need 1 large fresh lemon squeezed juice, if that makes sense, 3 cups of raw cashews that have been soaking either overnight or for at least about 4 or 5 hours, but you can also boil it. And that was also, you're gonna need about a half a cup of nutritional yeast. All the measurements I've given you is a good basis, but as you make it, you might want to add a little bit more to it because, you know, you might want a little bit more salty, a little spicy, whatever. Do you, boo? But I did end up adding a little bit more nutritional yeast because I just like a little bit more of a cheesy flavor. Also, once you're done with putting your ingredients in, you're going to add 4 cups of water. The way my blender's set up, once I put in the puree, not only does it blend, but it also cooks it at the same time. But if you don't have that type of blender, all you need to do is just blend it and then warm it up in, you know, a saucepan. Add a little bit water if you want a little bit more runny, or whatever, less water if you want it thicker. Right now I am putting my pretzels in the oven. Once the pretzels are done, I did spray it with avocado oil, and I did add a little bit of salt on top. Alright, once everything is done, the cheese comes out super yummy. This was such a hit. Everybody loved it. It was nice and creamy and cheesy. Oh my gosh. I was really excited when I made it. The kids loved it. It was a hit. You can't go wrong with nacho cheese. Alright, amen, amen. You know, you feel me? Alright, here are my results. It came out super delicious. The kids loved it. We had a blast on movie night. So make sure you guys check out that vlog and check out my other vlogging channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, because I'll be doing more videos like this. I appreciate you guys and all your support. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.